Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to use Prekese. I believe that's how you say it. How to use Prekese in your hair for hair growth. So this is my Prekese for hair growth, for hair health video, and you all might be wondering, what is this strange fruit? Is it a fruit? Is it a shrub? Is it not a shrub? Is it a root? What is it? Well, this is Prekese, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what to do with it. So let's do it. Okay, so a little bit about Prekese. I'm going to write the scientific name down below. This is what it looks like. It's also known as the Indian fruit. It is mainly found in places like Ghana. It's also found in Nigeria, and some people also say that it's found in Israel. It's actually, somebody said that in the Bible they actually mentioned it, so maybe I can find the Bible code that mentions it. So I'm going to take this Prekese and I'm going to try and cut it. It is so hard to cut, people, so watch my struggle as I keep on telling you what this does. So you can actually add this to soups, you can make a tea with it, and I'm gonna have a video on my family channel DN Vlogs Live on how to make a soup with it. This is a ingredient or a product that is rich in vitamins. It contains protein, lipids, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc and calcium, sodium, copper, vitamin C, and antioxidant, and it also has antifungal and is like antioxidant, you know, like a preservative. It also has preservatives in it, so with this you don't even have to preserve it. But I finally cut it. This is the amount I'm going to be using, and I'm going to share with you more benefits of what this does. Now for our hair, we're going to add a little bit of this, and I'm going to add 8 ounces of hot water, and I'm going to let this sit out for about, I think I'm going to keep it for about 2 days. Now a big shout out to Amy Fullness. She created a video and she let us sit out for a week, but mine, I just kept mine for 2 days. 2 days overnight works well, and the more you let it sit out, the darker the consistency will look like. So maybe yours doesn't look like mine, is a bit darker because you let it sit more, but this works fine. So you want to get your empty container, and you're just going to put it in your empty spray container. If you want to find out how I found this funnel, you can get it on my Amazon shop, and also the container of what you can store the spray in. So this is my leave-in spray, and I'm going to use it. So this is how I use it. A couple of ways. You can use as a rinse out product. So after shampooing your hair, you can pour this onto your hair, almost like how you do rice water. But I like using it as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna spray it on my hair, spray it on my ends, spray it on my root. Now the benefits of this for my hair, it strengthens my hair. This is a strengthening product. It contains protein, so if you are protein sensitive, use a little bit at a time. It also helps with shedding. This is the time of the year where I'm shedding the most. For your health, if you decide to drink this, well, okay, so because it's strengthening, I'm adding my moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This is the Kadima Moisture Milk. And if you decide to ingest this, it's very beneficial. If you're someone that you suffer from fertility, postpartum women actually drink a brew of this, and it helps them for their body. If you have arthritis, if you have asthma, it helps you. It also boosts your energy. In addition, this also helps you with cholesterol, immune system. It has so many benefits. I actually made a soup with this, so I added a little bit of Prekese in my F4 soup, and you guys can see it right over there as I show you my F4. This is my F4 soup. Okay, so yeah, so for your hair, how often can you use this? You can use this anytime when you feel like you need to moisturize your hair. If you're not protein sensitive, you can do that. If you're protein sensitive, try using this maybe like just twice a week if needed, or once a week. I won't go overboard using this every time, like every single day, just because it has a ton of protein, and it's very, very good for if you have iron issues. Drink this a little bit at a time. Please do your research on this, and I found that this helps me with retaining my length. And yeah, so if you guys decide you want to give this a try, it's so easy to make. Can you add it? How do you preserve it? So the Prekese that is left, I usually don't keep it, but I feel that you can take that Prekese that you've already soaked. If it's not too soft and soggy, you could keep it in the freezer. But personally, I just use it one time. I make a big pot of it and keep the rest in the fridge. So this preserves very well. I can preserve it for a month long if I make a big amount of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my hair. I've moisturized it. So hope you guys love this. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you what style I do. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.